Albert Einstein. The year 1905 was a miracle year for the 26 years old patent clerk Albert Einstein. Within a few months, Einstein wrote a series of papers that would transform the way we see the universe. His first paper was published in the month of March, which was on the dual nature of light. Despite a decade of evidence that light is a wave, Einstein proposed that light can be of particle nature also, thereby proving the photoelectric effect. According to Einstein, light travels in form of a wave as well as it travels in form of particles. Not exactly particles, but in form of packets of particles. Each packet is known as a photon, and each photon has an energy of E is equal to h nu, where h is the Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of the color or the colored light that is incident on the metal plate. According to photoelectric effect, when light rays fall on a metal plate, electric current is produced. That means photons means light generates electric current, and this phenomena is called photoelectric effect. Einstein was given the Nobel Prize for his invention of photoelectric effect. Einstein submitted his second paper in the month of May 1905, stating the existence of an atom. This paper explained the Brownian motion. The botanist Robert Brown noticed that pollen seeds suspended in water moved in an irregular swarming motion. Einstein reasoned it that if tiny but visible particles were suspended in a liquid, the invisible atoms in the liquid would bombard the suspended particles and cause them to jiggle. Einstein explained the motion so accurately that the random motion of particles could be directly observed under the microscope. June 1905, Einstein published his third paper. This paper was on the special theory of relativity. The special theory of relativity was to remove the inconsistencies of the Newtonian laws or Newtonian world from the Maxwell's laws or the Maxwell's world. Einstein postulated, based on the mathematical proofs and thought experiments, that all laws of nature are same in all frames of references if the inertial frames of references are at rest. But if the inertial frames of references are in motion, Newton's laws fails. Einstein explained the occurrence of time dilation and length contraction in his special theory of relativity. Also, Einstein postulated that there is a universal speed limit for light. Speed of light in all frames of reference is constant. The fourth paper was published in the month of September in the year 1905. It was the by the way follow-up of the special theory of relativity. According to this, Einstein proposed that light or the electromagnetic wave light has a mass and gave a formula that relates mass and energy. And then we know the historic formula E is equal to mc square.